portrait or landscape? Landscape. You got nervous. Welcome back to the vlog. We're vlogging Sunday morning, afternoon, evening, cars and coffee, bikes and coffee, Starbucks. We got all the boys here today. Let me introduce you guys to some of the bikes that I think you guys have. So we got Mr. Ripple Bikers Built H2. We got Instagram famous one and only Noor Busa guy S1K. Got one of my buddies stretched stage 3 H2s, Aprilia RSV4, and we got a Ducati V4R. I don't know if you guys know what these bikes are, but yeah, so I'll show you guys around the cars a little bit too. G-Wagon, we got the V8 bi-turbo AMG, M3, G-Wagon, Ferrari, we got Mr. Tour pulling in, SVJ, we got C43, we got Rolls Royce, Deji's Aventador, I don't know what this is, it's CLS 550, Aventador, that's a badass whip right there. We got old school Cobra and a TRX. And then we got him he's warming up for the Niagara run, so, and then Noor, famous world one of one. Say something, Busa guy.
I am enjoying this. I'm with my brother.
He said Panda. I'm like, yo, who's Panda, bro? Panda, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Me? So we got an SVJ. We got an Aventador, Mr. Tour.
How are you?
Yes, sir. And yeah, so that's the gathering so far with the cars. And now, wait, hold on. Let me, these guys look serious. Let me go talk to them. Let's go talk to them.
Yeah, brand new. They're like,
oh my God, what? 230? What? You drive a Rolls Royce? How do you like the Rolls Royce experience?
bro, I love it.
Yeah?
It's comfort.
You feel old or young?
I feel old.
Yeah, so he went from a 720S to a Rolls Royce. To this day, we're all trying to figure out what made him and inspired him to do this. But the answers will come out slowly in this vlog. But honestly speaking, for a family car, this is dope.
Yeah, I like how you can take 4 people in there, friends,
and your
family.
wife was really happy.
Bro, that's the thing. Like, married life is good.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at where we've come today. Married life is good, eh? That's good, man. That's good. We're all getting there now. I gotta pick one of these up too now. All right, guys. So we're at the BMW True North After Dark event, and I brought the bike. Parking, easy parking. You know, I'm not trying to deal with all the cars. Some really nice cars out here. We got a blue M4 with the sunset in the back. God damn. The thing is, man, like whenever we have BMW events, I don't bring the M4 just because of the parking situation, but I always get late. So I'll walk around the show and show you guys some cool little cars, what's going on. But yeah, we're at BMW, FAF BMW, some nice M5s and whatnot. God damn. Wow. Where's half the hood though? The other hood's missing, but yo, that's a badass build, man. I like it. God damn. Look at where the injection ports are. God damn. Oh, we got my M4's twin, M3 with the nice silver wheels. Very nice. M340i. I don't know what this is. I think it's like a 335i. Right? Camilo is still with me from the Biker Boys event. Nice little wrap on this M. Wow, matte black. The blue. Very nice. Oh, there's some hidden gems back here. Oh, look, another, yo, that's a nice color on the blue too. It's different than mine. Yeah, very nice. Wow, look at
There's
BMW is actually coming back with the original colors. So
yeah,
car yellow.
I heard.
Lunatic blue will be coming back.
I heard.
Other colors as well.
Yeah. On the G80s, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. This is very nice too. I don't exactly know what it is, but goddamn, it's pretty good. All right. M2s are growing on me as well. All right, British Racing Green, just revving the car, plates covered, so we're okay. Very nice M3, buddy. Very nice. That was a nice little sign. Oh, we have ice cream too. You want some ice cream? All right, so it got a little bit more crowded now, and then Nero pulled up with the M3 from the show that day. Obviously, I showed you guys his car. Look at that showstopper. And in the evening, it looks amazing. So it's getting packed. And the sunset's in the back. I'm trying to convince Camilo here to bring his R3. He won't do it, but I think you should. And we should get some pictures. And just to let you know, an R3 is a good bike, man.
I mean, it's fun in the twisties, but I mean R3 versus like S1000.
Yeah, but that's your perception. But at the end of the day, a bike is a bike, man. It's brotherhood. It doesn't matter about what you ride.
How about that?
Yeah, there, that's good. Okay, good. I'm gonna go tell thing. I'm like, yo, we're gonna take some pictures. All right. All right. So we really got the bikers coming now. We got everybody lined up here. All right, we're gonna get the other guy with the S1K too. Lining up with him too. Perfect, man. Look at that. See, bike life's about brotherhood. We don't care a fuck about you ride. But you do gotta turn the steering wheel straight though. Come on, man. That's a rookie mistake. So we got another M4 CSL matte, and then we got an honorary BMW. Technically a BMW. So it's okay. I got all that. We got the LED crew here with all matching lights. Probably could. So the difference is the guy revving making no power, and the guy actually making the power is standing here making no noise.
Last night was I got a slushie. I got thirsty. Camilo didn't get anything, but he bartered for me. We came with $2.
Yeah.
The slushie was $5. I don't know if it was his bartering or
Salesman number one. The close.
or the actual ice cream person just taking pity that we have $2 on us. Got a slushie for $2. I really appreciate it for the ice cream person. All right, so we were bored at nighttime and we came to Krispy Kreme with my buddies Vet and the GT3, and this Mustang was parked here. We couldn't get a real good picture. We wanted to get some Instagram photos, so what we did was we moved the cones. They have a little drive-through because of the construction. We moved the cones and we're gonna take some pictures now with the Krispy Kreme in the back. Hopefully they come out really nice with the GT3 and the Corvette. So let's see.